We are youth.
We are the
future.
We recognize the
injustices.
Our Indigenous people and the
resilience
to enter the residential school system.
We also recognize the
devastating
generational sufferings that these schools have caused.
From the mouth of survivors.
Where was your heart
When you took me away from my family.
Where was your heart
When you forced me to stop speaking my language.
Where was your heart
When you cut my hair and changed my clothes.
Where was your heart
When I was made to feel ashamed of who I was.
I tried to run.
You found me and took me back.
When I would speak and pray in my language, I was punished. Even after all this,
we are still here. We are strong. We are resilient. We rise above.
From the generations that follow.
We will be heard.
we stand for
Healing.
And
Change.
we stand for
Equality.
access to clean drinking water.
an exceptional education and health services.
We stand for the right to grow up healthy and
Proud.
Jordan's principal. Jordan River Anderson.
We are not numbers.
We will not rest.
Hear us.
We will continue to stand.
To make it right.
We are still here. And the God.